Hi, my name is Chris Wiegman. I'm a graduate student in FABE, and my research is with Intra-Canopy sensing using small unmanned aerial systems, or drones. One of the common problems with small unmanned aerial systems is they fly over the top of the canopy, and that means they're missing a large part of the plant. They're only getting those top couple leaves. So we were thinking, well, what's a possible solution? And that's where we came into this intra-canopy sensing principle, where we are inserting sensors that are suspended from a drone. So the benefits of this kind of are two-pronged. The first is obviously the economic return to the farmer. So our goal is to get a one-day turnaround time from flights to diagnosis to a prescription applicator map. The other benefit is ecological. If we can identify a stress quickly before it begins to spread in the field and really precisionally map that stress, we can save a lot of chemicals going on in the fields. With Ohio State being a land-grant institution, we have an extension educator network, and so I've been able to work closely with these educators to find fields all throughout Ohio to work on, to build and create this system.